Hello?
Hello, with Maria, please?
Who?
Is this not? I received a text from this number. I'm just calling back the text that I received. I received it 2 weeks ago. Is this a new number for you, or?
Uh, Not really new. What did the text say?
It says this is Maria from Point Mortgage. I'm reaching out regarding your interest on the cash out refi. So I'm just following on a loan. This is.
No, yeah, that was probably my assistant. Sorry.
Oh,
Yeah, are you looking to
okay.
refinance?
It's more of yeah. I mean, I don't think it's called a refi because my house is paid for.
Oh, so like you're trying to
Um,
take some equity out?
Um, yeah, so this is what happened. I bought a house recently. I have two houses. One house I lived for 2 years already. That's
Hmm.
my primary residence. And then the new house I got it like a month ago. Okay. So what I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to on my primary residence, the house that is paid for. I'm trying to get some sort of loan that allows me to pay for the other house and get rid of my HELOC. I have a HELOC on the primary residence.
Okay.
hmm So I just spoke to another bank, and they said like the best option would be just to give me uh,
A cash out loan.
a cash out loan. But the interest that they're giving me is a little higher than I want because right now the mortgage on the second house is 3%, right?
Oh, okay.
It's 3%. So that's
Yeah.
the interest rate. And they were offering me 3.25%, I think, on the loan. It's kind of what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna consolidate both, like the
Yeah, yeah,
HELOC
yeah. Yeah.
and I'm not planning on using the HELOC for anything. The secondary house is has I have tenants there, so
Oh,
I'm
good.
renting it out. I already have a contract,
Yeah.
right? So
What's your credit score? What's your middle credit score?
they just did a soft inquiry with Experian, and they told me it was 639.
Okay.
Sorry, 739. I apologize, 739.
Okay, good, good. I was gonna hang
Yeah.
up on you. Just joking.
Yeah, yeah,
6:30.
you were gonna be like, bye.
No, I'm just
That's why I was
joking.
like, no, no, no.
Yeah, and so what type of loan? I mean, loan amount. What are you looking for total for a new loan?
Loan amount?
Yeah.
I'm rounding up numbers. The number on my head right now is 400,000, but I think it's actually like 390 or 395. I just need to sit down and do the math because I'm not planning to using for anything else. But to make it easy, I guess 400,000.
Okay, 400,000. And then what do you think the property's worth?
My property, the primary residence, it's worth 640,000.
Okay.
The second house, the one that I bought,
Better hurry up.
it
I'm
was
trying to eat
appraised
my
by
hair
the
now.
bank at 420, but I was able to negotiate it with the owners because they didn't see the appraisal. The owners did, but I was able to say like things that were wrong with the house and whatnot, and I got it for 375.
Nice. Good work.
Yeah,
Okay, cool.
yeah.
Yeah, so the lowest rate I can offer you right now is 2.875 without any points or anything like that. If you wanted to pay points, which means you're paying like a percentage of the loan amount to buy the rate down, I can get it
Yeah.
lower, but it's up to you if you want it lower and pay the cost. What I'll do is is this your cell phone number?
This is my cell phone number.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Text me your email address because right now I'm pulling up to a meeting, and then I'll send you a quote for a couple options. So, for example, if you wanted to do the 2.75, it'll cost you $2,000 more to get that 2.75. But
I might be able to pay the 2,000. I might be able to pay that.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Let's look at the numbers and see what makes sense. Because if you're only saving, say, $40 more a month, it might not make sense. So,
Exactly.
yeah,
Yeah.
we'll look at it and we'll play both sides of the fence, and you can make a decision from there. But the lowest without points, 2.875 today, which is pretty good.
Okay. So this same number, I can text you to this same number, right?
Yeah, yeah, please.
Okay.
And
But
I'll
still
text you
Maria.
right
I
now.
have Maria.
Yeah,
Okay.
there's a software that we're using, so it just connects to
Oh,
my phone
okay.
number. Yeah, I'll text
Okay.
you as
So I'll
well.
text this number.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, cool. All right. Thank you so
And
much.
you want my email address, right? That's all you want, my email address?
Yeah, correct. Email address, and I'll send
All
you a
right.
quote today.
All right. Yeah, if you send me a text, it'll be easier. I'm confused here with the phone numbers.
Okay, sounds good.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Not gonna lie, there's no Marita. I don't know who Maria is. I don't know how he got my phone number, but we got a lead, fam. I wonder why it says scam.
What's your meeting, bro?
In and out. Always pick up your phone. I mean, we weren't gonna pay. We only picked it up because it said scam, which is pretty funny. I thought it was gonna be one of those like Nigerian scammers who were like, "Oh, hello, you won $1 million. We need your bank account." I don't know why he's Middle Eastern Nigerian, but it's just the only accent I know. Because I'm Middle Eastern, so don't cancel me. Anyways, that's it. Peace.